So over here, you can see that I got some collections right here. And let's say I want to go ahead and export out these collections in a certain format. In that case, I can simply go around and select out the contents in a selection right here. And then I can go around onto the file menu right here, just like this, and then choose export to. So here you can see that I can export them as a raw DNZ file, or I can do a custom export as well. So once I go around onto custom export, I can save it out into the original file location or a specific folder. So let's just go around and click on browse, let's say for example, and over here on my TTTube drive right here, I'm going to create a new folder, let's say for example, and name it custom exports right here, just like this. So let's just go around and select out this folder, and that folder has been selected, and you can also save it to a subfolder name right here. You can choose a format to export this in. So let's just go around and export it in PNG format right here, just like this. And let me just stick to 16 bits right here. And you can choose different color space that you want to export the files as well. And over here, you can see the image size, and you can resize this out as well, just like this, or scale the image to 100% in its default as well. Apart from that, you can also include metadata right here, or just include the copyright information and additional keyword right here. So let's just type in TTTube right here. And now what I can simply do is start out the export right here. So once I do that, you can see that custom export is happening right here. It is applying all of the effects that I chose, and it has exported out the files, as you can see in L custom export. So once you go around and do that, this is what you have right here. And now let me just go around over here onto my TTTube drive right here. And let me just go around on the custom export section, and here you can see that these are the PNG files that has been exported. So you can see that they are all in PNG format right here, and you see all of the details right here. And this is what you have, as you can see. And that is how you can go ahead and then export out collections by using Adobe Bridge. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.